Hello my dear subscribers and viewers, welcome to another transformation and restoration video. So in today's video, we are going to work on this worn out old baseball bat that is almost 10 years old. So in very first step, we will strip down all the old paint with the help of paint stripper. Make sure you use gloves and mask during the process. After the scraping the paint with scraping strip, we're going to use a sander to level up the base little bit. Now we will apply filling material to fill up the dips and dents on the bat. Now again we will sand it down with sanding machine to give it smooth finish. So in next step, we are going to apply the primer on the baseball bat and let it dry for our next coat of base color. We are painting it with metallic midnight blue color base. After the color has dried, we will start the next process of design. We start with airbrushing the selected design with airbrush after masking the outer area to avoid overspray. We are using some scratching technique to give details to the airbrush design. We're going to add some Celtic band stencils to the base and some other area. We're going to add some golden color and silver color to the stenciled part. After we have finished the painting the designs, we will remove the masking tapes and stencil very carefully in order to avoid the edge chipping of the design. After the design part is done, next step is going to be a clear coating process. We will spray 3 to 4 coats of clear coat for best covering. After the clear has dried, we're going to sand the clear coat with fine grit sandpaper to remove any dust particles accumulated over the clear coat. After sanding, we are rubbing and polishing the bat with one of the finest detailing compounds. As we are not able to find the grip tape, we are using denim jean strips to make the grip for the bat. We are securing the grip with bronze thumb pins. So this is the final look of the restoration and transformation done by us. hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and share the video. Do subscribe to our channel and do press the bell notification button for future transformation updates.